Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix something went wrong. Try to reopen settings later. Error in Windows PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, open your Windows settings. Here a little bit is scroll down, then click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshoot. In this you can see here Windows update. Click on run. It will take some time for completion. After completion, close this window. Go to the services. Here you search update or just data services. Right click on this. Click on properties. You should select automatic on startup type. Then click on apply. Click on OK. After that, search here Windows update. You can see here Windows update. Right click on this. Click on properties. Here also you set automatic on startup type. Then click on apply. Click on OK. After doing this, close this window. Then try to update your PC. Hope your problem will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this video you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.